About to start the evening hunt here. We're going after some mallards and some Canadian geese, and should be a good evening. I'll show you our setup here. I don't know if you can see those decoys or not. Chase made it. Jess.
What up?
Boom. All right, about to get it done. Yo, ducks! Happy Halloween. Morning 2. We're gonna go out and hunt over some water today, and hopefully get some ducks this morning. But I'm gonna see how I do in this hot dog costume. But we're gonna knock them dead, huh, boys? Kill them 4, guys. Get ready.